Where's your daddy? Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, you better get it for Daddy and take it back to him. Yeah, he's gotten a little lazy about that. No, you're not coming out.
Here, get this ball back to me. Push it back to me. Come on.
There you go.
Yes, that's how we do it.
It's retrieve, not just kick and get treated.
Here, send it back.
Now he's cheating.
You cheat. You are a cheat.
You got to take it back to Daddy there, buddy.
Daddy don't like that. Come here.
Go on. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go get it.
Here, hit it back. Good boy. Get it. Go get it.
Let us know when you're ready to come on. Are you ready to come in? Yeah. Okay. Hey, Kelly, she's ready to ride. All right, buddy. It's amazing that he was as calm as he was. There you go. Now I gave it to you.
Let's go. We're done.
All done. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Time to get your feet trimmed. Good boy.